Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Easy Home Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make sesame powder rice. This recipe is made by my mom and it is actually served as one of the prasadams in the 9 days of our Dasara Puja, and because it's rich in calcium, you can use it, you can make it at any time of the day apart from festivals too. It's very healthy, so do try it and let us know how it turned out for you in the comment section. So take a pan. First prepare the sesame powder. For that, take a pan, add 2 spoons of chana dal, 2 spoons of urad dal and 2 spoons of peanuts. Let them roast a little. When they are roasted halfway, add in dry red chilies. The dry red chilies quantity is up to you. If you like little more spicier, you can add in more red chilies too. So once everything is roasted on a low flame, roast them on a low flame, don't put on a high flame, otherwise everything will start burning. And just before turning off the flame, add in the sesame seeds, because the pan is hot and every other ingredient is hot. Sesame seeds will roast really fast. Once everything is roasted, keep it in a different plate to cool them down. Once everything is cooled, add some salt and make it into a powder like this. So, and cook 1 cup of rice and keep it aside too, just like this. So let's get started with the recipe now. Take 4 tablespoons of ghee. It tastes wonderful if you make it with ghee, so it's your choice, but making it with ghee will be tastier. So once the ghee starts melting and heating up, add a spoon of chana dal, a spoon of urad dal, half a spoon of mustard seeds and a few curry leaves. Let all of them roast. After that, add in some cashew nuts. Cashew nuts roast really fast, so we don't put them in the beginning. Once all of them are roasted too, add in a few curry leaves, few dry red chilies. Roast them too with a pinch of hing. Once everything is nicely roasted in light brown in color, add in the cooked rice and the sesame powder along with a little bit of salt to your taste, and start mixing them properly and incorporate all the ingredients well. Once everything is done, just serve it to your family and friends as it is. It tastes wonderful, and if you're serving to the god, take it into a nice bowl and offer as a prasadam. So do you like the recipe? Please, if you like the recipe and if you think it's really wonderful, please subscribe to my channel, like and share my videos, and do try the recipes and let us know how it turned out for you in the comment section. I'll show you more and more nice and yummy recipes in the future too. Stay home, stay safe. Thanks for watching again. Bye bye.